Yeah, man. I just gotta move now. God, what have I done? Do you realize what you've done? Guys, what have I done? I traded they're losing, Dave Joyce. Only I can win this. Only I can win this, believe it or not. I don't think that knight does anything. I think my king is way too far advanced, guys. Only I can win this. I don't think I am winning, but only I can win this. You know what I'm saying? Only I can win this. Okay, we have to give room. We take this way, I guess, and then we go over the pawn. Just take the draw. You're low on time. I gotta take a draw, guys. Okay, the first opening, e4, g6. Number one move is d4. Bishop g7, he did good. Number one move, knight c3. That's what I did. Number one move, d6. That's what he did. Number one move, bishop e3. That's what I did. Guys, we're 4 moves in. It starts getting goofy, guys. I bet I vary first. No, maybe not. c6. Number one move, queen d2. Hey, guys, we're doing it. We're doing it. William Hunt says, no NP Charlie for the like and share. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. William Hunt, how you doing, man? Thanks for the like and the share. Jay Cook with the like. Christian Hagerman and Nathan Tyler watching. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really helps the Amigos stream. Morning, y'all. How you doing, Andrew? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning. Okay, knight f6. Number one move is f3, guys. Did it, guys. We lasted 6 moves against the number one move boss. Okay, the number one move boss says castle's long. No! Number 3 move is g4. And the number 2 move is bishop h6. How many moves we made the number 1 answer, guys? You know what I'm saying? I think it was 6. F3 was right. Castles, castles, castles. So we made move number... Okay, we made 6 moves. 6 moves with the number 1 answer. Our record is 6. I'm writing it down. Jeff Conley says, have you tried any of the MW2 beta, Charlie? Looks like fire. I have not, but I've watched some of my favorite streamers play it. Jay Cook says, a big shout out to Dave Joyce helping me with his puzzles. Quick on response and pretty cool dude. He's awesome. Oh, Dave Joyce is such a generous person, man. Dave Joyce spends a lot of time learning how to play chess, guys. And then he will he'll donate his time and effort to put those puzzles up for us in the exclusive Chiller supporters only group. Hit the what number is that again? Number 4. Press this button for more information. And yeah, Dave Joyce is just a cool cat, man. Dave Joyce is a cool cat. You were using Streamlabs before, right, Andrew. Yeah, getting right to OBS is better because Streamlabs can have more troubles than the OBS. We're going for a new 5-minute, guys. We're going to try and play the number 1 move every move. That will dictate our opening, guys. E4 isn't the number 1 move C5, guys? Is it C5 or no? That it used to be. We're playing C5. Knight F3, number 1 move I think is D6. D4, number 1 move CD4. Remember, Adam, Knight F6. Now, number 1 move might be this, guys. But is it okay if we like just play A6 and then like transpose and maybe we play the number 2 move? I'm gonna play this, guys, because I think I don't know the number 1 move. But does that mean Nadorf is main line of all chess? Maybe the Roy Lopez was main line. Does anyone know? Did we screw up? Did that to my last hard drive when I sold the computer. It's very therapeutic. Maybe try kicking it. Just rock the center, says Adam. Chess time, Charlie. Adam Martin, how you doing, man? I'm playing this. Now we really, really want the number 1 move every time, guys. And if David Bassett was here, he could tell us what it is, but that would be cheating against our opponent. So we're not going to do that. I'm picking it. And it's like, it's all in order of E6, Bishop E7, Knight BD7, and Queen C7. And B5. Those are like, could happen at any time, and there's a correct Bishop E2. Bishop E2, E5. Number 1 answer, guys. Okay, now. Okay. When he goes that way, I think it's B5, guys. I think it's B5. It's to get B5, Bishop B7, and before F4 and Bishop F3. B5, the knight cannot come here. It can't come here. So we can relinquish. I think it's b5. I think it's b5, guys. I'm doing it. I don't know. Okay, good. Now, we don't have to play this move right now. Now we have to develop our pieces in what, guys? So bishop b7 seems better, even though b5 seems, what's the word? Oh, no, because he's threatening knight d5, and after playing knight d5, queen d5, I have to move my rook. So we're going to do this now. Then we will play the Lancelot, guys. Okay, he castles. Good. We better get on board with the old castling maneuver, folks. What did he do? Brings his L to D or to E3, guys. It's a real move. We know we have to castle, so let's just do it. Knight E4. Was there a move? Could I have played knight E4? Knight. There's no knight E4 move. Knight E4 just loses. Right? Now, if we push, knight comes and we take with the pawn. We take with the knight. Or he has to go back. This is not Grandmaster move. This is not Grandmaster move. It's not Grandmaster's move. Dude, I'm not liking this, though, because this gives up squares, guys. This gives up squares. This, reminds me disturbingly of my Zakutsu game. Yeah, see, because now the knight wants to come. Well, it's not really doing anything, so... There are very often ideas of this and this. Knight bd7 is probably Grandmaster's move. Playing it, folks. Gotta remember, it's a 5-minute game, guys. Oh my god, I'm a minute down on time. Develop and resign. That's a way to go, man. Did that to my last hard drive. Okay. The L came to c4, folks. The queen comes here. On tiempo, guys. Con tiempo. Defend it. Oh, he comes here now. Without tempo. Okay, it's a move. So we're probably not doing that. This is defending this, so I guess we'll just do this. And attack the maneuver, folks. We'll attack the C2 square. Can we play D5? If we can, we should. He just defended. D5. Pawn takes. I think we can play D5, man. What if but the rook might be able to come? But I think we're still okay. Because I don't think this knight can attack this square. This knight can't attack square. The bishop might come back. I don't know, though. But the rook lift might have said you can't play d5. Because now, after takes, he did that. Okay, great. Now we're going to play e5. 1000%, guys. Wait. This makes a nice little weak square, though, guys. Does this not win a pawn or something? Oh, no! All I had to do was take. I didn't realize he was going to win a pawn, guys. Damn it! Okay, wait. Bring an attacker, guys. Same way he did. Dude, I screwed up so bad. Knight here is probably a good move. Oh, but it doesn't win. Take more pawns. He'll play rook takes check first, so I think we do this. Oh, he'll take with the knight, though. Good, he takes with the queen. Now we take here. And actually, we can take the file. This isn't terrible. For being down a piece, it's not the worst position you've ever seen in your life. You know what I'm saying? It's not. Does it suck? Yes. Are we losing? Sure. Wow. First thing you got to do, folks, well, maybe start threatening some mates would be nice. The knight's moved, the knight loses. Oh, this knight can move and come here. I can bring a knight too. I don't have to mate him with the queen. Oh, I didn't realize that could happen. Do we take the pawn or do we bring a... Man. Oh, man. He could peek, yep, here, and then he could pin. Like, I didn't see it. We got a lot of pieces to take here, guys. He resigned? He resigned? I had 9 seconds, no increment, guys. That was a blunder. Was that not... Latvia's in the house. Dude, was that not a blunder? That was a blunder. He should not have resigned, guys. I had 9 seconds. I have 9 seconds. He's losing this, but is it mating? Is he getting mated? No. Oh my god, I had mate right here, which I didn't see. With 9 seconds, I don't have time to. So I'm taking this. And now he has an absolute... Oh my god, he could fork. Wow. So he just sees he's losing the rook with 2 minutes on his clock. Felix Goulet, I think you made a mistake, bro. Okay. Sweet stuff. You play casually or you rank serious with a ranking, all that stuff, no difference. Just curious. Yeah, Dylan Wild, I used to play tournaments all the time when I was younger. And the last tournament I played, I about broke even on rating points. I might have lost like 3. And my rating is like 1873 in the United States Chess Federation. On chess.com, I'm rated much lower, but I talk while I play. You know what I'm saying? And so well, my USCF rating is say 1873. So I'm a low A player, but I've been at the very top of that. I've been at 1994. Yeah, so that's my ranking, but I'm not a professional, but I am not a beginner. I am way beyond your beginner, and I am way below your professionals. Somewhere in the middle. Somewhere in the middle, folks. We are going to check the opening, folks. We are going to check the opening and see if we made the number 1 move. We're going to try and beat 6. Okay, guys? Oh, wait, what's the number 1 move? C5. Just right there. I didn't even know for sure, guys. Oh, by far C5. They always say the Sicilian is the most common reply, right? Okay, now, knight f3. Number 1 move is d6. He plays d4. We know the move. Number 1 move is cd4, knight d4. Number 1 move, knight f6. And the number 1 move is knight c3. And then we play a6. Number 1 move. Okay, we've made it. And I'm going to make it to... I think we're going to make it to... Oh, wait. It's only 5. Okay, bishop e2, guys. e5. e5. Number 1 move. David just said that to me like 2 weeks ago. Dylan Wild, thank you, man. It's not bad. I used to play a lot of chess, and I studied a lot. And, like, I have books like this laying around on my freaking table, you know, and other stuff. And, you know, I watched a couple hours of chess videos today. Just... It's because it's what I do. I don't get as much out of my study as I should, to be honest. So I should just study an hour a day and get better at chess. Me and a dear friend were talking about that last night. E5. Like another dear friend, Dave Joyce, like what he does. He just gets better. He just studies. Okay, e5. Now, number 1 move, I think is b5. Not even close, bud. Bishop e7 is the number 1 answer, guys. Bishop e6 very often comes after you play the quick e5. As a matter of fact, I think on knight f3 instead of knight b3, the number 1 move might be bishop e6. No, it's not, because knight g5. What if What if knight f3? It's still bishop e7, guys. Okay, so bishop e2, e5. Number one move is bishop e7, whether it goes to b3 or f3. And then let's just look at this a little bit deeper, so next time we have a chance to get 2 moves better in a row. Right on, man. Keep up the grind. There's only room to improve. Yeah, Dylan. Thanks, man. Yep, Dylan's my brother's name, by the way. And I have improved since I started streaming because I'm just playing a lot more chess and I'm starting a little bit, learning a lot. And I've got some good players that come in and give me advice too. Now, on castles, b5 comes so much later, man. And bishop e6 always comes before b5. Okay, and I just want to look at this real quick too. I want to look at this idea. And then, okay, let's say bishop g5. Now, there's still no b5 yet. So get b5 out of your mind. Guys, I was, for some reason, thinking it was a quick b5, and it's not. It's everything but. It's bishop e7. It's bishop e6. Always before, it's knight bd7 in this position is fine. Once this happens. Okay, guys, good. So we made it, how many moves this game, guys? We made it 6 moves, guys. Not 7. We were 1 away. If we can't do it in Nadorf, how are we gonna break our record, guys? Okay, let's just, you know how we break our record? We go back into the games. Maybe we get a little d4. Maybe if I play like a Grunfeld, maybe I could play the number 1 move every. We'll see. We'll see, guys. Play. Here we go, folks. And you know, maybe if I play d4, g3, number 1 move. They play c5. The answer is e5, and then they play g3. So maybe the best move here is e5, the number 1 answer. I always play d5 here, guys. I played e5 because it was going to abort, because it won't let me play chess. Okay, now, he does this. This is 1,000% take the center. We're already out of book. We're out of book. We're out of book, folks. He let us do this. That's fine. Right? Hitting this. We don't do this, though. Did I screw up already? I mean, I'm not saying I'm not completely capable of screwing up, guys. But I still believe that this was not good. But neither was probably playing f5. I should be castled by now. But now I just got to play blitz, guys. Now, and I guarantee that freaking... No, well, we can do this, man. We can do this. There you go, Mr. Blitzman. And just castle. And if he plays this, we just better rip it and then move the king. I think we're okay. Right on, man. Yeah. Oh, he's on the square, folks. Now he gives us the space. He gives us the spatula. The spatula. No, we don't take it. We don't take it, folks. The maneuver we played. Now we take the spatula, guys. But he'll have such an easy plan. Well, maybe not. Takes. Pawn takes. His knight has to go somewhere silly. If we want the open file as knight, we'll still have to go somewhere silly. Where does it go? It's a blitz game, guys. I gotta move. Now he has to go back to here. And then we... Oh, no, he doesn't. He doesn't. I thought he did. Okay. The queen. Because there is a Grandmaster move. If he pushes, I think I push. You know that? Part of what the queen's doing, guys, is protecting this square. Okay, that's probably not a bad move, man. I kind of want to do this, but I kind of like this. Que meglio. The blitz game, guys. He could harass me is the problem. He could harass me, guys. Bishop takes might be a move. C4 might be a move. Where does it go? Yeah, man. That was probably not a good move, guys, because of this square. We still control something, but he's probably going to do this. But then we'll come back and we'll push. Oh, man. The knight gets in, folks. Am I missing something? Am I missing something? Right? You guys see this idea? That just traps my bishop because he backs up. Come back. Come back. And then we push. And his king side falls apart. We might do this. Because we can come to c5 and this square. That loses a pawn. Takes. Oh, then takes. And he doesn't lose a pawn. There's a threat. I think we probably grab here. And develop our pieces. Now the knight can come here. And here. Bring the other rook. And then we'll say, look what you did to your king. We're going to develop our pieces, folks. And then we're going to say, look what you did to your king. Thinking c5 for our knight on b8. Yeah, Dave Joyce, I saw it coming. But okay, he got out of there with enough time to we'll do this first. That way, when the knight comes, we can take with the rook if we want to. Feeling me? Hurt me! Sorry. We got this. Since the workshop, I've improved my puzzle rating by 700 points and have been practicing developing and castling. Dude, practicing developing and castling is absolutely the best thing you can do for your game, my brother. Pushes, I think we just rip. And that will then be on this square. I'm in with that. That's fine. That's fine. I want to get to the dark squares anyway there, buddy. Well, got to be careful. Gotta be careful. Yeah. Here and then here maybe? Get the rook. Doesn't do anything. He's just threatening to take. I think everything's okay. Do this now. His rook will move, and then I'll have to move, and then he might push. So maybe this wasn't the idea. His rook will move, guys. All the way back is probably best. Then I could take though. He comes there. He lets me take. Oh, I forgot. I didn't see queen. It doesn't work. Opposite color bishops, and I'm down a world of time. You like to think I'm the one attacking, but there's really no proof of this. Check. All these pawns. No, look at all the white pawns. He's gonna get a white pawn, guys. Can I get this one? He has to push it to save it. He has to push it to save it, folks. And then I might be able to start getting the pawns out the light squares, guys. These pawns could get like could he not? Well, maybe he wouldn't have got one. Maybe he wouldn't have got one. He needs to defend it. He doesn't. Now we're up 2 pawns. Now we have a chance. Right? Okay. Oh no, he can just shove his pawn. Dang it, it's pawn. It's pawn, folks. Now this one runs. We got two runners, folks. I think I need to go this way. And make him sack for it. I think here maybe. Yep, that's a good move. Oh my god, I didn't even know how low I was on time. Thanks, I think I get more excited over my chess matches than I do now when I beat an Elden Ring boss. Hey, man. Crasher started with the 100 stars, thank you. And Scott Jacobs with the 100 stars. Scott, how you doing, man? Fellow Texan. Okay, guys, we have to look at the opening, guys. Our goal is to play the #1 move in the chess.com database. And we have done it 6 times twice. We're trying to go deep, folks. Okay. Here, I have no idea. So this game, we're just screwed. I played D5. You know what? I was talking my way through it, and I said I always play D5 here. I said, but they usually play C4, and you play E5, and they play G3, so I'm thinking maybe it is E5 right out of the gate. And then I look and it's all, you're going to forfeit in 2 seconds because chess.com doesn't let you play real chess. This is not real chess. This is a variant of chess. This is not real chess. This is not real chess. It's a variant of chess. Yep. It's not real chess. You guys are not playing real chess. Playing a variant of chess. It's a variant of chess where black must move within 20 seconds or he resigns. Yeah. What? Caleb Homer just got a hoodie. Dude, the hoodie is cool, bro. The hoodie is cool. Yeah, man. Congratulations on your hoodie, guys. Let me turn the old bot on. There's a link in description, or you can type !merch as my bot is not loading. For more information in a few minutes when my bot loads, which it's not loading right now. Absolutely don't want to see it, folks. So we got screwed right out of the gate, guys. Okay, the bot, wait, I just turned it on. It might be active now. Yeah, dude, I'll tell you, I love the hoodie, man. The only reason I don't wear the hoodie, guys, is because it's my hoodie. And I feel weird. Okay, we'll just see what happens from here now that we're in book. #1 move is D5. But this doesn't count because we didn't get the #1 move. Okay, #1 move is not F6. No. F5 is, no. Not F6 is just the move, man. F5 was dumb. Okay, guys, that game was a rough attempt at breaking our record. Going back into a body, it's just Thrasher. The hoodie is comfy. Comfy F, yes, Scott Jacobs has one. Oh, yes, I was going to say, I would wear the hoodie, except feel awkward about wearing my own stuff with my own picture on it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be too full of myself. But I bought the hoodie and gave it to my son. I said, you don't feel weird about the... Maybe I didn't ask him. I don't know. Maybe he doesn't wear it. It's my dad. But I just didn't want it to go to waste. You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, we're going back in. We're trying to play the #1 book move. Now we know, okay, C4, E5 is the move. They used to play C6. I think it's not F6. And I think This is okay. Now I don't know. Now I'm just developing castling, guys. I don't know. I don't know this line. I don't even know what to play here. You know why? Because I don't play it like this. I don't play it like this. D4 is coming. Yeah, we could give him a little tickle. Give him a little tickle, guys. Ask it at. Oh, interesting. He gives us the bishop, guys. Now, if I do this, and he goes back, I lose pawns. If I stay, I lose stuff. We might end up with a weak pawn here, but we're going to get his light squared bishop. He wants to take with the knight, I think. And then what the question is, we're a little behind in development, and not too much. I don't, yeah, see, that's an idea, guys. But I don't think... Takes, and then knight, maybe, attacking my bishop? You know what I'm saying? That could be okay for him. The bishop, I have to defend the bishop or lose it. He didn't do it. What did he do? He plays the e4, moving the e-pawn twice, folks. You absolutely love to see when your opponent moves the e-pawn twice. Now, just connecting my rooks so they can see each other. Okay, yeah, it's a move, guys. It does nothing except say, give me the bishop. And I'll do that in a second, guys. I'll do that in a second. Look at the best piece on the board. Well, the knight on f5 is for sure. That's why we probably have to play king up, g6 and bishop back, right? Oh, this knight is brutal, guys. It can't stay. It can't stay. No, the pawn. I told you the pawn. I told you about the pawn, guys. You didn't listen. You guys didn't listen. Oh, my God. I almost have to... What do we do? What do we do? Almost want to do this and then play d5. Oh, no, he's going to be threatening mate, though. It's going to be threatening mate. I didn't see it. See, d5 would be okay here because takes. He can't take because it takes and takes. Now this square. Now my position is just god awful. And this is like forced. Yep. Bring a rook and laugh. Does he have anything worse? Yeah, just bring a rook and laugh. Just win. Just win. Well, hey, you know what? Doesn't do anything. I'm doing this. Just take this. Just take the pawn. Just laugh at me, dude. My position's terrible. And he's way up on time. Hey, Caitlin Bortoff says, love you, Charlie. And yo, content, keep up the good work. Caitlin, thank you. Thank you so much for the absolutely kind words. Hit the knight. Okay, now take the center pawn, guys. Great. Now, maybe. Oh, the knight is protected though. I thought the knight was not protected, guys. My knight sucks since I'm protected. There's a queen right there. Don't really know what to do, guys. I think I almost probably have to just like start. Oh, that drops a pawn. Oh, he's played rook over, and then he gets this, then he gets this. This blunder, guys, is blunder. Just look at the knight. Check. Oh, no. That would make a fork. This is loose. This is so bad. I play bad. Okay, though. I'm only down. He only has twice as much time as me. Growing up in Appalachia, I never heard the word hoodie. It was a sweatshirt. Oh, my God. He just keeps taking every pawn on the board, guys. He's got three. He's just roll, dude. Just roll and laugh. He doesn't even want to trade off, guys. He doesn't want to trade off. Yep. I'm going to resign. To be perfectly honest, of course I wanted to win that game. The goal was to try and beat our opening. We've played 6 best move in the opening so far, guys. That's our record is 6. We're going for 7. C4, number 1 move. I probably didn't do it in this opening, guys. Knight F, C4, Knight F6, of course it's Knight F6. E5 is number 2. Knight F6 is 64,000 games, and E5 is, Knight F6 is 64,000, E5 is 45,000. Wait, what? A toboggan is something you ride in the snow. Never heard the word hoodie. It was a sweatshirt. What do y'all call those woven hats people in Texas call beanies? I always knew them as toboggans. Yeah, toboggan I thought was something you ride in the snow too. Okay, now we'll just see what we do here. It's no. Knight F6, we got it right. D5 is number 1 move, guys. Just D5. Okay, so C4. After C4, E5. G3, Knight F6, and get D5 in. Just get D5 in now. D5. What'd Mads say? Just have to get another, hey, cheers. Have a great day. Jay Cook says, hoodie, picking mine up today from the post office. Everyone's getting a hoodie. Dude, the hoodie's comfortable, man. Center Power. Thrasher says, my wife took your hoodie from me as she does for all of my hoodies. Hoodie's comfy as AF. All good. Been missing out on the stream for a bit. Good to be back. Welcome back, man. Welcome back, guys. Man, we did really good on the first couple games, guys. And then now we're like, we have to try again. New 5-minute, guys. Going for the world record. The one thing nice about Knight F3, maybe is white. D6, D4, CD4, Knight D4, Knight F6, Knight G3, G6. F3. Bishop E3. Okay. Now, it's either Queen D2 or G4, and I bet it's Queen D2. And, okay, now, the knight comes here. As in the last game, I played G4. It's probably castles. It's castles or G4. I'm a G4 before castles guy, man. I'm a G4 before castles guy. You guys are like, what's wrong with your bishop? Develop it. That's not the way I learned how to play this. And this seems like a wasted move, too. Do I lose? I lose this position all the time. I'm looking for, well, if we have made the number 1 move, we already broke our record with 8. But I want to go for 9. I want to go for 10. C4, you play C6 in response to it, Dave Joyce. Ah, okay. Number 1 move here. It's not Bishop C4. It's, you know what? I'm going to call it castles. I'm going to call it castles just for, that's what grandmasters I think would do. Now we get this move. And last time the guy sacked a piece here, guys, and it didn't work. This knight comes here, guys, on this pawn that's protected. He wants to come here, and we're going to rip him. Can they move? Can he make my knight move? No. Now the problem is he does like what FIDE Master David Bassett did with us in the Nadorf line. Yeah, he doesn't castle. He doesn't castle, guys. What happened was our attack. He's gonna have to go somewhere though, man. Knight. Oh no. Oh. Are we in trouble? His king has to go somewhere, guys. I'm going to play Bishop E2 in this move. He wants to play a rook, and then the knight comes, and then we take, and the rook gets a free lift. Queen here. Oh, he doesn't play it. He wants a pawn. He wants to storm, folks. Okay. Let's see if we can take away his opportunity to castle at all. So now he can't castle. He can't castle queenside. Or kingside, I mean, right? Okay, now. We're going to do this, and then this. Oh, the knight can take. What is Grandmaster? What is Grandmaster? Move! This might not have been the move to trade like that. I just wanted to, like, not give him a bailout. Queen comes over. Okay. This worth the sack, guys? Not worth the sack. It just loses a pawn. This pawn is okay. This happens sometimes, believe it or not, guys. But takes, I think we're just gonna take. So maybe here with the idea of f4. Playing it. Yeah, Rook H1 was probably better, but the thing is, it covers, man. It covers. Yeah, no, Rook H1 was actually a really good move. See, I'm more worried. I'm more trying to do stuff in the middle. You know what I'm saying? And this was probably way too passive. You're right. The thing about this is I might be getting mated over here, guys. If he pushes, I take, and then we push this way. Then we come over. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that was probably better idea. But now that I've started my idea, what do you do? What do you do? Plays A4. The knight's trapped. Right? The knight's trapped. So we're getting a piece that we can use to defend with. And if we don't get mated, we win. Rook H1 was by far probably the best move. We'll take a look at it. Jonathan No Love Thrashers, thank you for the proper pronunciation. I lived there. Okay. Could be dangerous. If he takes, the thing is I have to do this. And the thing about taking is, good. Oh no! Yes, check. Yes, check. Hit the queen first. Huh? You like that, guys? Oh no, but now he can defend. But it's okay, because we can come at him, guys. We could spider monkey, man. So did I lose a piece? No, I didn't. I just maybe not winning a... Check. Back. Rook. No rook check. Am I okay? Does this lose? Oh, I gotta watch this square too, though. Bishop takes. Didn't see it. His queen's undefended, but I can play here. He didn't see it. He didn't see it, folks. Trying to hold everything. Now we just gotta make some kind of a threat, guys. Any kind of threat. Chase him away from our life. You know what I mean? Like maybe queen here. Or bishop back with this threat. That'd be a pretty cool threat. I think we want to trade queens and trade them now, guys. We're very low on time. Yeah, there's no increment, guys. Just takes it with check. I drop the bishop. I dropped the bishop. Yeah, I dropped the bishop. Okay. But of course we wanted to win that game, guys. Of course we wanted to win that game. The goal of the game was to play the #1 move. It actually hurts to lose that game. But let's go over to the opening. And let us see how far we played the opening move. Our record is 6. We've done it twice. As a matter of fact, I'm going to write ×2. Dude, you know we get those games where we go to 11 moves deep into theory. well, no, into theory, but not always into the top move. Quote of the day: if I don't get mated, we win. Hey! I know you mean his attack is certainly not slow. I think we had time to play Rook H1, Rook H7. I know, Dave Joyce. We'll check that out too. These dragon lines are lots of fun, but the lines are so sharp. One wrong move, and that can be it. Game over. Right. Okay, guys. Opening number one move. Okay, E4. He plays C5. Knight F3 is number one move. D6. D4 number one move. Takes. Knight D4 number one move. Knight C3 number one move. G6. Okay, guys. Now we played. I'm not looking at them. We played F3. Number one move is Bishop E3. I wouldn't play Bishop E3 though because of this. Oh, we have like this Bologna. Is he losing a piece here? Does this loses a piece, guys? Because if we play this, the bishop's pinned, guys. Oh no, I didn't choose Bishop E3 as the number one move because of Knight G4, so I thought F3 is the move. Oh, dude, I don't know about you guys, but boy, I'm learning stuff, man. I'm learning stuff. If we played number one move, this is a fun game, guys. Okay, so Bishop E3 is the number one move, and then Bishop G7. Bishop G7, Bishop. Wait. I want to go back to the G3. We play Bishop E3. He plays Bishop G7. Then we play F3. Castles. Queen D2. Knight C6. Bishop C4, Bobby Fischer style. Queen C7 on Bishop C4, right? Nope, LD7. Okay. Castle's long. This is the number one move, guys. Rook C8. Bishop B3. As soon as they bring something to the file attacking the unprotected bishop, that's when you move it back, guys. Knight E5. H4. And now Knight C4. No, not yet. Okay, H5. And then Bishop G5. And then this is where I start not knowing this, man. This is like newer than what I remember. And King B1. Okay. That's all good. That's all good. But here's the theme of today. Why we got this wrong, guys. I played F3 because I thought Bishop E3. I thought he had this move, but he doesn't. It's plus 2.91. He's losing a piece. Bishop E3 is a little Camilo to play the Yugoslav attack. Right. Yeah. Well, the other idea is Bishop E2. Right. What if he blocks check with Knight C6? It's a great move. But look, we're on the square twice. Knight C6. He's only threatening to take this. We could take back. So it's not a real threat here. Then you just play Knight C6, BC6, bishop takes check. Bishop D7. And take a rook. And castles and laughs. Computer actually wants Bishop D4 because it massively centralizes the bishop and saves it from the knight while attacking the rook. He has to do something stupid, and then he just castles. Just castles. Now the knight can't even come back here. Yeah, this is just good. This is crushing. We're way better. We got a nice majority over here. We have an exchange. He has black is the bishop pair. And I don't know if he's like going to get mated in the middle of the board. You know what? The way he's going to get mated in the middle of the board is if we open it up. And if we open it up, his bishops are going to thrive. So who knows? But this is not even in the opening book, guys. It's not even an opening book because no one would give us this much. But yeah, Knight C6 was defended. C6 was too weak. Okay, so now let's see. Now let's get back on the number one moves. There, castles is number one. We got that one here. Number one, G4, number one. Great. Here, okay. Bishop E2 is number one answer. I played H4 because I'm like, it's not a threat. But they play Bishop E2. Okay. And now we're just going to go put the engine up and we're going to see how great your guys' Rook H1 move was, guys. You see that, Gary Henderson? Oh, wait. Let me see here. H5, number one move. That was good. E4. Knight D5 is bad. Yeah, it's slightly worse than knight b1. Knight takes, that was good. See, queen a5, guys. I'm like, he could play queen a5. Here's why it's a good move. Because it comes with tempo. Because it attacks his thing. So he gets his queen out. I have to answer. Then it's his move again. But he plays a5, which is an advancing move, you know, furthering his ambitions on the queen side. But now it's my move. And then even after he does something like this, it's my move again. So I get like a couple of moves. That's why I was afraid of queen a5, and queen a5 was the best move. But he plays this move, gives me a chance. Computer literally likes h6. h6, bishop has to come back. And then we gotta be winning. h6, guys. He has to come back because if he comes here, this wins the bishop. Is that crazy? Yeah. So he has to come back. And then what? Oh, and then just g5. Okay, g5 and then g4 and this. And now his king is just sleeping, guys. His king is sleeping on the job. He never get out of dodge. Oh, we got to find y'all's move, though. Takes. Oh, yeah, in this position, was that a bad move? Rook h8 check. It likes it. Now, white is winning at +5 here. Queen h2 is an idea. It's even faster, Dave Joyce. It's the maneuver. I missed the game. Glad you're going over it. Cool, Gary. Dave Joyce says, yeah, or f4, maybe try 11 fish because black would love to play e5 if he could. Hello all, Trey, how you doing, man? Harrison Lynn says, it's a good time. Okay, so check me out. Now I get bishop e2, and finally, it's the third best move, but queen h2 is by far better. Queen b8, get like queen c7. Okay. The second best move, king b1. That's +2. But by far, best move at 3.3, +3.3, is rook h1. According to you guys. Good call. Bishop f6, not allowing the tempo. g5, saying you have to go back home here. Okay, now it's saying, oh, the thing about g5 is cool. f4 does not drop the, it doesn't drop the pawn anymore, guys. See what I'm saying? And then rook h7 is still really good too, and that's kind of what we were thinking about. But doesn't he get king f8, right? But now f4, knight g4, and then knight c6. Hit the queen. Oh, because we get this. And on this move, guys, we take we take bishop g4. We have overtaken all these squares, and this bishop is now locked out of the. It could come back here, I guess. Bishop d5 is the best move. Bishop d5 was the best move, guys. Just sacking a piece. +7. Interesting. Okay, we got to see when we break our record, guys. Or break my record. Yeah. So the goal, if you're just getting here, guys, the goal is to get 6 #1 moves from the beginning. Doesn't have to be, if I'm playing white, it can be, I could play E4 or D4, I'm gonna say. Okay? Let's go for a new 5-minute game. Okay. E4, #1 move is C5. Knight f3, we know it's D6, right? D4, C4, knight d4, knight f6, knight c3, A6. Oh, okay. And when E4, C5, knight F3, D6, he plays knight C3. I think knight F6 is the move, guys, but it might be knight C6. Right? It's not F6. It's not F6. It has to be. What do you guys think? Oh, check. Okay, now I think we interpose the bishop and we take with the queen. Right? Now we might already be out of our #1 move. Now I don't think we do this here, guys. I think here we play a dragon type structure. I think we do. Because of what's happened. E6, bishop e7. E6 doesn't look bad though. E5 takes, knight takes. Knight c6 is probably the move. I'm gonna play knight c6. And then g6, bishop g7. Jay Cook says, hey Charlie, where's the Charly Sardo gaming hat? I for sure would take a hat. Dude, they had a hat, but it's like embroidered, man. And it looked, and it's expensive because of that. You know what I'm saying? I will revisit the store because I want to do some plays d3. Okay, now we're just playing chess, guys. Now we just can't lose on time. I would like to get a little bit more gaming stuff in there too, and maybe some updated chess stuff. You know what I mean? The After Darkers, maybe After Dark, maybe an After Dark, Charly Sardo gaming logo with the After Darkers Unite situation. You know what I'm saying? The knight gets to come here with tempo. Takes. He doesn't want it. Just castle. Do this now. Because knight can come to b5 sometimes with a little bit of situation, folks. And then that also. Okay, great. Now a6. Takes. Are you left-handed player or is it camera flipped? The camera's flipped, Adam. The camera is flipped because my game's over here, and if the game was over here, I could probably change that and unflip the camera. An idea. Could I game over there? 1,000% I could. I would need to change the monitor though, because this is my gaming monitor. Yeah. It's a move, guys. Guy plays a move. Do we bring rooks before we bring... I don't know where the rooks go right now, guys. That's the problem. So I'm just doing this. Just expanding, folks. Little expansion. After Dark sunglasses. After Darkers Unite. I think the Elden Ring community has deserved some merchandise, guys. Guys, they've opened up the whole new After Dark streaming scenario. You know what I'm saying? When I've already streamed chess and I'm a little bit punch drunk, I get tired. Guys, if you were at the chess workshop the other day, toward the end, I started making very, very simple. Okay. Doesn't really do anything, but it does. It threatens that. So I guess, do this. It's weird, and it doesn't have a real nice beard. I almost... Oh, does this work? Peace. No. Queen. Oh, yeah, queen. Peace gets away. So... Oh, but what's bad about this? Well, wait. Well, no, not if it like wins stuff. Problem is, okay, I have analysis here to do. Takes, queen takes. That's just a trade. Knight here, knight up, and I'm getting mated. I think we have to defend the knight, guys. And now the pawns are getting messed up. I don't want to come back. Wait, could I come here? Is there a good square for my knight, guys? Pawns are messed up. My pawns are messed up. I spent a lot of time on that, guys. Wait, what? Really? He gets nothing from it? Charly make money on the store. Charly doesn't make money on the store. It's sad to say, if I understood correctly, but the merch is quality. It brought me my son. No, I do. I do make money. Okay, this is an idea, guys. And just have the bishop. It's not enough though. I think I'm safe to do this. I make money from the store. I do. I just don't make... Ow. I just don't make a lot of money from the store. I don't make a lot of money from the store. I make money from the store. My point is, I normally, like when I sell something at my upholstery shop, I mark it up more than I mark up the merch, is what I'm saying. But the merchandise, I keep it at because they tell you, look, you can sell it at cost if you want to. Sell it at cost. Don't make any money. It's your choice. I think he might have been able to like do a double hit here, guys. Okay. It's only a pawn, man. And we like, I should have probably counterattacked something, guys. Give him that pawn. Oh no, he takes him with the rook! Takes the rook! Oh, I get checked though. I get checked though. I get checked. 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 Queen, I think. Do we let him trip? No, we don't let him triple, guys. I'm just like creating passers, guys. I'm just creating massive passers for this fool. This is bad, guys. The game's over on time. It's okay though. Shove your pawn, dude. Shove your pawn, dude. Make your queen. 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 You gotta make queen. You gotta make the queen. Just gotta make the queen, guys. Gotta make the queen. Make the queen. Make the queen. I can't think hard enough for this. It was the only chance, guys. It was the 7th rank. And I might have a draw. As a matter of fact, I think I might. Not threaten mate. Hey! Dude. Yeah, I had 2 minutes on his clock, man. Yeah, so I do make money off the merchandise. I do. Buy the merchandise, I do make money, and it's a little bit, and it does add up. So don't be like, oh, he doesn't even make any money on it. Yeah, no. We make money on the merchandise. I just don't, it's just not a ton of money. Because I could choose to make a ton of money, but then it's like the socks, for instance. Socks are $16, I think, right, guys? And, but they're cool, and I think they're worth $16. But I don't make as much money on them. You know why? Because if I was making a normal amount of money on the socks, I should be selling for like 18 or $19. And it's like, they're socks. And I want people to be able to enjoy the socks because they're actually very comfortable. And so, boom, we take a little bit less profit on the socks. You know what I'm saying? The mugs, relatively fairly priced. Okay, so I can make a couple bucks on the mugs. You know what I mean? Dude, well, no, he had to move back. Actually, he had to move back, right? I mean, come on. You got to know that this back rank, this is how this back rank threat stuff works. Check here. I take here, he has to do this. But then I get checks all the way and it's a draw. The only way he can lose, okay, I either get a win or a draw here. Because he can never avoid the checks. He can never avoid the checks. He gets mated if he goes that way. Or, if he does what he did. If he does what he did and goes this way, it's checkmate, yeah. Just remember that for yourself next time. It's real nice. It's real nice. Oh, he pushed the pawn is what he did. Right. Guys, he's one pawn, one square from queening. Okay, now we got to check it for see. What opening was this? Do you think we might have? Go to analysis board. We got to check the opening, guys. Our record is still 6. We've done 6 moves twice. David Hume says, "Hey, I've got the big mug. It's great. Yeah, I've got the big mug. I've got the small mug. I bought everything, guys." Yeah, no, it's okay, Scott. Yeah, it was a long time ago. Yeah. It was a long time ago. And I don't mean to put it down. I just wanted you guys to know that the merch, I love you guys, and that's why we made the merch, because you guys asked for it, and it took a lot of time to get the artwork and get it together and then put it up and then before I ever sold any item to you, I bought every single item myself so I could look at it, wear it, say, okay, this is good, this is bad, this sucks, this is cool. Everything that was worth it, we put up. The one thing we didn't put up, there was a T-shirt. A placement for something was weird. And so that one never got released. Okay, we got to find our openings, guys. We're going for the number one move. E4, number one move we know is C5. Oh, we're going to be screwed on move 2. Or no, move 4 or something. Knight F3, we know the number one move is D6. Knight C3, I played Knight F6. I thought it was Knight C6. I thought it was Knight C6. It's because it slows this down. I thought it was Knight C6. Or D4. Oh, guys, we just can't. Okay, so the number one move on Knight C3 is Knight C6. And let's look at the main line. Knight C6, D4, we know it's takes, and then Knight F6. Yes. Okay, and then they play Bishop G5, and we play E6. E6, yep, that's right. And they play Queen D2, and then we play Bishop E7. No, it's A6's number one move, 10,000 games, and Bishop E7 is only 4,000 games. So we got to do this first, guys. And then on castles, then Bishop E7. Even Bishop D7 is 6,000. This is some serious theory, folks. Definitely going on my Christmas list. I want the big mug now. Both my mugs are dirty, guys. I'm a bad streamer. I don't even use my own merch. But I was gonna wash dishes. They needed to get soaked up a little bit, guys. They're in the thing. They're gonna be all ready to wash soon. I've got a mug with the hoodie as well. Tomorrow morning's coffee is already prepped. Cool, Jay. I like the mug. I like the mugs. The mugs work great. And I wore the socks the other day, man. Let's get this down to 3 minutes. That way, we'll have a better chance to break our record of 6 book moves. Okay? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We do this every day. I say this every day. We don't actually stream chess every day. Monday through Thursday, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Central Daylight Time, Central Texas Time is when we stream. Chess, guaranteed. Those are the normal streams, guys. But then we have other days that I stream. Like today's Sunday. Yesterday I had to take a day off, guys. Real life. It was actually a funeral. Don't have to say a whole bunch of sorries. It was a funeral. We had to go do the funeral yesterday, and we did it. We did it right. It was good. Took the day off. No rush, no stress. No, I got to get back and stream. No, It's just like, hey, man, can we do some real life for one day? We did yesterday, real life. And then I came home today, and I'm like, do I want to stream? I was trying to decide. Almost went and played guitar. I might even do that. I might play a little bit. Let me see if I can get down there for the last set. It's only 6. I might go play guitar here, guys. Maybe try and make another reel. Okay, we're gonna try and break our record, guys. E4. This has to be the move. This has to be the move. Okay. Now this doesn't work. So this is the move. I think. I don't know. I have no idea what to do, guys. We blew it. We blew it. We blew it. We're not main line anymore, guys. But it's a 3-minute game, so now we can at least. Now he should do this. Ooh. Send him. Send him, buddy. Shouldn't have done that. He should not have let me get my battery. Ooh, he does this one, huh? Just castle. I'm just gonna castle, guys. It's cheesy too, but I guarantee that was okay. Now go. Oh my god, I didn't realize that was gonna happen. That's okay. We got this. We got this. We get the big centro. We get the big El Centro, folks. Oh, can't allow. We couldn't let that happen, folks. This is to keep the file open. This piece doesn't move. You don't want it to move, guys. You hope he never moves it. You hope he never moves it, guys. Yeah, where's it going? Does it going somewhere? Just pawn. Just pawn. The queen come in? No, it can't. Neither can the knight. Okay. come back. Come back. Maybe bring a little. He could push though. That could be a little bit. I think we're okay. This is gonna be a cool move because it's on the same file. You know what I'm saying? And this could happen, guys. Just do it. Just do it. Come here. Maybe come here. Fix the pawns. That's probably a better move, guys. Fixing the pawns, better, because his king sucks. Fix the pawns and then maybe play for f4. You know what I'm saying? Wow. Okay. That's gonna fix the pawns. We'll take the F file instead, guys. Oh no! It's gonna be on this! Dang it! Takes. Bishop takes, queen takes. Well, you know what though? He'll be oh yeah. He had to back out, guys. Okay. Now, since that is okay, we're shoving this. It's a 3-minute game, guys. I gotta move faster. This guy's moving kind of slow, which is good for us. It's good for us. We're going in, folks. Protecting the center, folks. He wants to play without these pieces. If I can get my rook into the game, everything is kind of playing, guys. We need this rook here and like this rook maybe on this file. That was that a bad move, guys? You maybe do this though. At some point we can push if we have to. And now we have this move. That's probably the idea. Shove and push. Because this comes with tempo. The knight takes. Oh my god, the mates abound. The checkmates abound. I'm getting a little pumped up, guys. I might need to go play guitar. Now I just want to win this game. How did we do in the opening, you guys think? You guys, how many number one moves do you guys think we did? Guys, I love this number one move thing, guys. It's the opening. We're going to take with the knight. And I'm going to play, oh, no, I thought I saw a mating pattern, but there's not one there. I want the knight and the bishop both on this square. If I could drop an archbishop here, guys, it would be checkmate. Dude, the Siamese twin archbishop checkmate. That's it, guys. That's the Siamese twin, the Siamese chess archbishop checkmate. Now we have the French structure with all the space, with all the spatula. Spatula belongs to me, folks. Yep. Okay. Rook, maybe. Maybe this. This is an idea too, guys. No! I dropped the piece, guys. Oh no. Now he has to take. We got the dark squares, and we'll be on the knight. Get the dark squares, we're on the knight, and we got this. How's he doing on time? Knight comes back. He resigned? Oh, he just lost on time. What's happening here, folks? It's +7. Yeah. Knight H5 is the move? Oh, because if he takes, because we're threatening, the knight can't move. Now we're threatening check and mate. And if he takes the rook mates. Dude, that was an awesome freaking game. Charlie's on the big screen, even better, says Jay Cook. I'm going to try it now. Who's the first person that ever I remember to try? It was Sean Big Screen Barnhart. Guys, where's Sean been, I wonder? Guys. Sean Barnhart, guys. He hasn't been around a long time. He's one of the few guys with a nickname like Jonathan No Love Thrasher. Sean Big Screen Barnhart, guys. He's the first person to post a picture. Okay, guys, we have to check the game for to see how many book moves we made. And I think I screwed it around move 4 too. Thanks, I'm going to try it now. Lois New says, merch, the merchandise is going off the chart. Folks, I'll tell you something, guys. You know, they talk about like multiple streams of income, right? The merchandise, man. It's not a ton of money, but I get something from it. The chess, you guys would be very surprised. The chess.com subscriptions, I get a few of them every month, guys. It's a little amount of money, but that's from one source. All I got to do is say, hey, link in description, chess.com, right? Make a few bucks every month off of that. Merchandise, hey, it builds the community. It's fun. I don't make as much money as you think I might make off it, but I still make money, and I want you to buy the merch. It does add up, and it helps. But then it's like, okay, but then you take the merch and the chess.com thing. It's like, okay, those two things, yeah, you know, add them together. That adds up. That's a little bit of money every month. That might pay one bill or something. You know what I'm saying? That's how it works, man. That's how it works. The multiple streams, stars, supporters, two separate things. You know what I'm saying? And then when it all adds up, I'm able to pay the bills, guys. So thank you for buying the support, man. Or the merch, guys. Thank you for the support. E4, okay. D6, number one move. D4, we knew that, guys, or at least I did. Knight F6, number one move. Knight C3, that's what I played. G6. Oh, here's where I think I went wrong, guys. What do you guys think the number one move is for white in this position? I'm not looking at the database because I didn't know, guys. Commo raid, no way. Well, good. Maybe the Commodore 64 Brannigan people are chess players and they can help us out, guys. Because we're playing a game right now where I'm playing blitz games, okay? Like 3-minute chess. And I'm trying to not make the move I want to play at the beginning of the game. I want to make the move that is the number one move played by the most people in the world. And whatever my opponent does, I want to play the number one move. Dude, Nevitz, I want to thank you for the raid, man. Welcome to the Commodore 64 Brannigan crew, guys. Can we get some raid hype in the chat from the supporters for the commos, man? What'd you guys play? What'd you guys even play? I love my Nevitz, man. Love me some Nevitz. Yeah, Bill Del Rio, man. I did the stuff, so now I'm here. Nice, nice, nice. Trey says, I just experienced my first glitch. It dropped me from the stream and said I had to log in again. Looking. It seems very strong from here, Trey. The stream is strong like bull. Look at all the raid hype is real for our raiders. Thank you guys for coming. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I play Elden Ring After Dark. Jonathan No Love Thrasher just gifted 5 subs. Woo! Look at that, just for coming in, folks. Guys, it's a cool thing. You want to see the thing? Check your notifications. Take your free sub to Charly Sardo Gaming. You get stickers, behind-the-scenes footage, access to free chess workshops, and more. Now, I see that Nevitz has spoken. Thank you, Thrasher, for that. Nevitz has spoken. What did he say? A Final Fantasy VIII Masterclass, LOL. I bet it, man. I bet it is true, man. Oh, all the likes. Claude Dodson says, how you doing, Claude? Adam Martin says, how many moves do you read ahead? Me, one, the best one. That's what they say. That's the line, man. I was trying Facebook Watch app on Xbox. It's the app's fault. Huh. Final Fantasy VIII. Dave Joyce says, I loved that game. Hated the final ultimate boss. She was brutal. Never says no refunds, LOL. I just heard a little noise, though. There's one. There's one. Bandoni Streams got his 3-month, man. Hey, guys. Bandoni Streams. He's smart, man. You got to keep an eye out for him, guys. So go ahead and pick up your free 1-month subscriptions. Valentin, Van Ho, or Edmund for the like. Claude Dawson for the like. And Latasha Moore, thank you for the like. Nevitz, thank you for the raid, my friend. There they go. They're taking them. They're getting them, guys. Evan Wayne just became a supporter. Welcome to the exclusive Chiller Supporters Only group. I said it as fast as I could, folks. Okay, did you guys tell me what you guys think the number one move here is? Nevitz is the FF8 king. I thought you were like, Nevitz is the effing king. I'm like, we try not to talk like that around here. No, Nevitz is the FF8 king. It's a lot of Fs. F. Made me nervous. What? They're taking him, guys. We're getting him. Yay! Valentin. Van Horn. Okay, I couldn't get your whole name before. Valentin. Does this guy sing too? Bill Del Rio. I do. Did you guys play Elden Ring? Madsen has become a supporter 4 months. And Valentin was 2 months, man. Ray Collier, thank you for the like. Guys, hey, some of you longer time supporters, could y'all flex your supportage and show me who's got the supporting the supportage record in here right now? It probably is Jonathan Thrasher, I'm thinking. Scott
Welcome
Jacobs.
Raiders and all the new people.
It might
Partying face star struck sign of the horns, medium light skin tone.
It might be. Thank you for that. I love those voices to chat emotes. Rhodes has got 17 months. Mad says thanks for the gift. Dave Joyce been around a minute too. Scott Jacobs 467 days. Now, when they say 17 months, that's 300 plus 7 months is, well, that's 10 is like about 300, and then that's about 700 days. Okay, I got it. So, but see, it's hard to compare them. Rhodes for 17 months is longer than Scott Jacobs for 467. But I think Scott might have gone off and come on, right? Thrasher 543 days. So Rhodes 17 months, guys. If we say 17, what's an average month? I always say 30 days. Is it like 30.5 or something? Let's just say times 30 equals. That's 510 days. So why does Rhodes say it in days, in months, but you guys, he says in days? Maybe because he does have you beat? I don't know, man. I don't know. Here's what I want to say. Welcome new subs. And thank you. I just wanted to see the freaking love. Thank you guys so much for all that long time. Yearly 375 days, man. Bishop B5 says Adam. Okay, Thrasher takes the lead. Okay, you guys are better at math than me. Thank you. Let's see what the best move. I played in this position, knight F3. Number one move is, wait, let me go back to openings. Number one move is F4, guys. But they're very close. 6,900 games with F4. And 4 games with and 6,700 with knight F3. That's almost the same, but doesn't count. Doesn't count. What happened here? Oh yeah, we got the crush on him, guys. We got the crush on him.